There are many fitness wearables in various forms and shapes. Most of the time, either the functionality is good but not the design, or the other way around. But Nokia Steel HR combines both design and functionality. Inside the box is the watch itself, a charging dock, and as usual, some literature. The watch is available in different sizes, 36 and 40mm, where only the frame changes. The display still stays the same size. It's mostly analog but can be set digitally with the app. Here you can see the current time, and under that the progress of your step goal in percent. Above that is the digital display. What it displays can be set in the app. It is monochrome, and with the activated automatic brightness, it's bright enough for every lighting situation. With the button on the right side, you can switch what is shown on the display. The display can also show incoming calls, SMS, and calendar notifications. You can also set reminders. During these, the watch will also vibrate. Unfortunately, apps like WhatsApp are not supported, so for these, you have to look on your phone. If you hold down the button, you can manually measure your heart rate with the sensor on the back. If you don't, it will do it every 10 minutes automatically. As soon as it notices that you are doing activities like walking, running, or swimming, yes, the watch is also water resistant up to 50 meters, it will measure every second. Other types of sports activities you can activate over the app. It records your heart rate, your activity time, the amount of steps, the distance without GPS, your sleep with different phases, how long you sleep, and how fast you fall asleep. Sleep tracking is of course not super accurate, but it gives you good values to compare. Of course, it will also calculate the active, metabolic, and total amount of calories burned. Other things like calories taken, weight, and more you can add manually to the app, partially with the help of other apps like MyFitnessPal, Google Fit, IFTTT, Nest, and Runkeeper. Some of them can even be used to make your watch smarter. With Nest, for example, the watch can tell the Nest thermostat if you sleep or not to set the perfect temperature for you. The app itself is well structured. Here, all the statistics are nicely visualized, you can set your own goals, and even get badges with nice info text and trivia about certain topics. If you want, you can also connect other Nokia health products and use them together with your family. The only unfortunate thing is that the app has only 4 programs like Sleep Smarter, Pregnancy Tracker, Leaderboard, and Better Body. It would have been cool to have more, and only 2 of them work with the watch alone. In total, I really like the Nokia Steel HR a lot, and especially because I can wear it in any situation, no matter if it's a suit or a sports suit. I don't take it off very often, and it's quite fun to reach my daily goal every day. Especially because the battery runs for up to 25 days, which is amazing. It offers exactly what I need, and that's why it's my daily companion. The watch comes in various designs and sizes, as well as different wristbands. The cheapest option is silicone, but you can also choose leather or textile. You have questions about the Nokia Steel HR? Ask them in the comment section. If you like this video, feel free to give a like, otherwise the dislike button is right over there. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Umit for Mobile Geeks.